we're Sipsations. I'm Liz, and this is Leslie.
Hi.
We're so excited to be part of REIMAGINE GoSpotCheck's conference in October here in Denver. And on opening night, you can find us serving up cocktails at Tamayo.
And to give you a little bit of a taste of how amazing this conference is going to be, we created 3 signature cocktails in honor of each founder of GoSpotCheck. So come find us at Tamayo to try your Chica
And True Blue.
and Old Spice.
Can't wait to see you there.
See you there.
That was awesome.
Nailed it.
You guys are nice.
We're going.
Okay. Perfect. Okay, hey everybody. We're here today with Sam, one of the co-founders of GoSpotCheck. And we're excited to share with you a signature cocktail that we came up for you based on how your coworkers described you.
Oh, I can't wait to hear about it.
Okay.
All right, so we have infused some jalapeno tequila with our Casa Noble. It's because we heard that you're a little bit fiery. A little bit of the bootstraps behind this and the engine behind the GoSpotCheck since the beginning. We have then sweetened it up a little with some agave.
Because of your part for the customers.
Yes, we hear you can be a little bit compassionate.
Every once in a while.
What do we have
Lime
here?
juice.
Lime juice, awesome. Some fresh squeezed lime juice.
Mm-hmm.
Little sour to you, maybe. A little spicy. And then we're gonna top it off with some bubbles.
Because you always need bubbles.
We love
Sweet bubbles for
around here.
fun, right? And a little bit of orange juice. Mix this all up today. And Sam, you are very special today. So we have a pre-made one just for you.
Perfect.
Ready
Camera
to
ready.
go. Ready for Liz to go.
Oh, look at that. Just like magic. Cheers.
Don't trip. All right, so we are here with Matt, the co-founder of GoSpotCheck. We have come up with a signature drink for your REIMAGINE event based on what your co-founders have said about you.
Okay, face for radio. I always say.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay. So your drink is going to be blue, and there's a reason behind this because you are the head of this company. You are loyal. You are faithful to all your customers, and also Colorado.
Born and raised Colorado.
Yes, absolutely.
raised.
So bluebird
Proud.
skies.
Yes,
Yep,
love
the
it.
blue bear. We
Yes.
all know.
Yes, totally.
Yeah. Okay, so blue curacao and vodka. That's the booze part, and then we have some white cranberry juice.
We hear that you like some flavored sparkling waters.
I live on
them. Yeah,
so
that's
we
what
had
I
a little
heard.
inspiration behind this drink.
And then sparkling water.
Great.
Gotta have that. All right, and then
And then to make this an official Colorado drink, we are garnishing it with a cherry for the red and a little bit of yellow with some, not the zest, rind.
right. There you go.
Beautiful.
Okay.
All right, so let's see how this tastes for you.
Great.
Yeah.
Liz, you want to give her a cheers?
Cheers.
It's smart and delicious and witty. Thank you.
Nailed it. Okay. Yay.
Cheers.
Cheers. Joey.
Yes.
Joey.
Hi. How you guys doing? We're on.
We're on.
We're
This is
on.
great.
Yeah, are you ready?
I am ready. I've
Joey,
never been
so we created a signature cocktail. Well, first of all,
Thank you.
Joey, one of our co-founders, we've created a signature cocktail based on what everybody has said about you.
Oh geez.
Now, we hear that you're a little warm and fuzzy on the
A
inside.
little bit, yeah.
Yeah, like fall, like flannel.
Yes.
Cozy,
Yeah.
a people person.
Yeah,
that's
so,
accurate, yeah.
right? So we came up with a drink today that is gonna make you all warm and fuzzy inside
Oh.
and has a little hint of taste of fall.
So
Delightful.
it has all the flavors of fall. So we're gonna start with whiskey.
Which we heard is one of your favorites.
It's my fave.
Awesome.
Okay, awesome. So whiskey, and then to really take that fall flavor up a notch, we have cinnamon syrup.
A little bit of a sweet side.
Yeah,
Alright.
not too much sweetness, but just enough.
Cool.
And then some OJ to round it out. And then
To add a little party, little bubbles on
Little
top,
bubbles.
some soda water.
Love a good party.
sparkling water. Yep, so give that a stir.
And then we are gonna garnish with a cinnamon stick and a little orange wedge.
Yep.
It's amazing.
And TV ready, Joey.
Oh, look at that. Thank you.
Yes.
Well, cheers.
Cheers.
Thanks for the drink.
Can't hear what you think.
It's delicious. It's delicious. Thank you.
Awesome.